What'd you get for Christmas? Whatever it was, it likely wasn't inclusion in the TSX Composite Index. That's what Lithium Americas got. The inclusion reflects Lithium Americas' progress as it advances the Thacker Pass lithium project in northern Nevada toward production. Thacker Pass is owned through a joint venture between Lithium Americas, which manages the project and holds a 62% interest, and General Motors, which owns 38%. GM's participation aligns Thacker Pass directly with U.S. electric vehicle manufacturing demand and provides both strategic and financial support. And since the project hosts the world's largest known measured lithium resource and reserve, it could play a major role in the transition toward onshoring large-scale lithium production to support North American electric vehicle and battery supply chains. Phase 1 of Thacker Pass is designed to produce 40,000 tons per year of battery-grade lithium carbonate, with mechanical completion targeted for late 2027. Project financing includes a low-interest $2.23 billion loan from the U.S. Department of Energy, along with a $625 million commitment from GM, a $250 million investment from Orion Resource Partners, a $275 million equity raise completed in 2024, and a U.S. Department of Defense grant to support local infrastructure improvements. Together, these sources are expected to fully fund Phase 1 through completion, targeted for late 2027, with full production expected in 2028. Although Lithium Americas is a Canadian-based company, its core business is anchored by Thacker Pass, a major sedimentary lithium deposit in northern Nevada, which is positioned to become one of the largest lithium carbonate producers in North America. The project is designed as a long-life operation, with an expected mine life of approximately 85 years. Development is planned in multiple phases, beginning with Phases 1 and 2, and potentially expanding through 5 phases. Each of Phases 1 through 4 is designed to produce 40,000 tons per year of battery-grade lithium carbonate, with a 5th phase optimizing processing capacity as ore grades decline. Total potential production capacity across all phases is up to 160,000 tons per year, with approximately 1.06 billion tons of ore expected to be processed over the life of the mine. The processing plant is designed for continuous operation, 24 hours per day, with 88% availability. Thacker Pass is a large-scale sedimentary clay lithium project located in Humboldt County, northern Nevada, and represents the largest measured and indicated lithium resource globally. The project is situated on predominantly federal land administered by the Bureau of Land Management, approximately 100 kilometers northwest of Winnemucca, with direct access via paved highways. The surrounding area is sparsely populated and primarily used for ranching and agriculture. Phase 1 construction began in February 2023, following receipt of all major state and federal permits. Lithium Americas is working with Bechtel as the engineering, procurement, and construction management contractor. By the end of 2024, major site preparation was largely completed, including earthworks, water infrastructure, road improvements, and temporary site facilities. Limited full notice to proceed was issued in late 2024 to maintain the construction schedule. By early 2025, the project advanced to permanent concrete and steel installation. Lithium Americas operates the Lithium Technical Development Center, LITDC, in Reno, Nevada, which includes advanced chemical laboratories and a fully integrated pilot-scale version of the processing facilities planned for Thacker Pass. Since mid-2022, the Tech Center has consistently produced battery-grade lithium carbonate from Thacker Pass ore for qualification with customers and suppliers. The facility is ISO 9001:2015 certified, so it meets high-quality, process optimization, and risk reduction standards as the project transitions from construction to operations. To support logistics, a transloading terminal near Winnemucca, Nevada is being developed with direct access to the mainline railroad. The facility will handle reagent deliveries for Phases 1 through 3, reducing transportation costs and Scope 3 emissions while improving supply chain reliability. Iron Horse Terminals has been selected to design, build, own, and operate the facility, which is expected to be completed in 2027 and supported in part by an $11.8 million U.S. Department of Defense grant. Market demand for lithium is driven by accelerating electric vehicle adoption, with global lithium demand expected to more than double by 2030. Thacker Pass is positioned as a strategic U.S. supply source, supported by long-term offtake agreements with General Motors. GM has committed to purchase up to 100% of Phase 1 production for 20 years, and up to 38% of Phase 2 production, supporting lithium supply sufficient for approximately 800,000 electric vehicles annually. Then, for even more support and assurance, the U.S. government will take equity stakes in both Lithium Americas and its Thacker Pass lithium project, showing just how strategically important the lithium source is to U.S. critical minerals policy. The U.S. Department of Energy will acquire a 5% stake in Lithium Americas and a separate 5% stake in the Thacker Pass joint venture with General Motors, using warrants exercisable at a nominal price. The government has indicated it will have an eventual exit strategy. As part of the agreement with the U.S. government, GM will allow Lithium Americas to sell unallocated future production to other buyers, and Lithium Americas will fund a $120 million loan reserve account within a year of the first loan draw. So as Thacker Pass keeps humming to life, don't forget, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.